Sir, in the role of PDP National Public Secretary, you've talked about what needs to happen for the party to take the party to the next level, to rebrand the party. What role will the National Publicity Secretary have in the transformation agenda of Mr. President?
Oh my God, a silent revolution is taking place. And any revolution means change. Every change brings about, it has serious implications, either negatively or positively. Negatively for all those who have been benefiting from the status quo. And that is why you see a formidable opposition, blackmail, criticisms about the president. But the truth of the matter is the party has a duty. All those that are painting wrong pictures, misinterpreting and mistranslating programs, misinforming Nigerians, they are not in government. They are party chieftains. So our party publicity machinery has a duty to produce a counter-offensive, qualitative information to be able to counter whatever blackmail and insinuations against Mr. President. So far, the transformation program is a revolution. And all those who are against it are the people who are responsible for all the things that are happening in Nigeria. I want to give you one example. The question of insecurity, once there is insecurity in any part of Nigeria, it is insecurity in Nigeria. Now, all of us have watched what has happened in the northeast. Wanton destruction of property, churches burned, mosques burned, even prominent northerners killed, other Nigerians killed. Mr. President has been passionately making an appeal, trying for the past 1 year. Even some of us said, look, why should the president be behaving like this? Some said he was weak. He wasn't weak. He was patient. He was trying to play so that people can have reason. But when they started trying to seize territories in Nigeria, the president says enough is enough and declared a state of emergency. It is unthinkable that anybody, any political party can fault the president. And I think that we Nigerians must learn to support our president. Once we elect a president, we need to support him. We need to back him up. Yes, criticism must be constructive and genuine. And you wait till after the election period, then you go and express yourself. But distracting the president, destabilizing the president through falsehood, distortion, are things that we don't want. And the PDP, National Public Secretary, has a role to partner with the information machinery in the presidency so that we will constructively engage on necessary adverse publicity and criticisms.